Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to check a stock to see if it has dividends or not. Okay, if you don't know what dividends are, definitely check out my video. But if you're on Webull, okay, you're gonna go to Market on the bottom here, and you can select any stock here. But I'm just going to search one up. I'm going to search up GameStop, and okay, I'm going to go to GameStop here. And what you want to do is, once you're in the stock, go to company, and then once you go to company, at the top there, the third tab, it should say dividends. Okay, and as you can see, it says dividend per share is 38 cents. Okay, so the last pay date was 2019, and was 2019, and their annual dividend is 0. So that means they do not have any dividends. Okay, but we have another company here. So let's search up Coca-Cola, and I can show you what they have. So Coca-Cola here, they're $79 a share. So if you go to company, okay, and then you go to dividends, and as you can see, it says 53 cents. So it pays 53 cents each share you buy. So 79, you have to buy $79 worth of share to get 53 cents. It looks like the last time they paid out was the 15th of June, which is just the 5th. So that's for those. You're getting a 2.120 annual dividend. Okay, so you're getting that annually, and you're getting a 2.65% yield. So when you look at different stocks, the higher the percentage, the more dividend you get out of it. So just keep that in mind, but also keep in mind the taxes is a thing. And they also do splits too, but they haven't done a split since 2012, but that's a whole nother conversation. But that's how you figure out dividends for any stock that you go on to. And let's just do a quick one here. We're in the markets here. Let's go to Oracle, because Oracle is pretty dope. And once again, you go to company, and let's go to dividends, and you go here. Looks like they do 0.5%, 0.5 cent share. The dividend is 93%. The annual dividends is 2.0. The last date that it paid dividends was 4/09/2026, and it's June, so they stopped doing dividends. Looks like the last date was 4/24/2026, so maybe they'll do it again. But for those shareholders of Oracle, I know you're sick. But anyway, let's get it, let's go. That's how you figure out which company has dividends or which stock has dividends. Peace.